Error code 2002-4153 on the Nintendo Switch 2 indicates a system crash. This error often occurs during critical system operations. It indicates a system crash triggered by memory allocation failures during high bandwidth tasks. This crash prevents data loss by abruptly freezing or rebooting the system. It primarily affects users during online interactions, software updates, or data transfers. The root cause is often linked to corrupted save data, incomplete downloads, or network timeouts. The code itself decodes to a kernel panic in the system's RAM management module. Understanding this error helps users troubleshoot effectively. The primary symptom of error code 2002-4153 is a blue screen displaying the error code, followed by an automatic reboot of the Switch 2. In severe cases, this error can lead to data corruption, erasing recent game progress, or even bricking the device, rendering it inoperable. Common causes include unstable internet connections, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet issues. Outdated firmware can also trigger this error. Running legacy software from the original Switch that lacks proper error handling on the newer system can contribute. Avoid overclocking mods, as they void your warranty and can contribute to this error. The first step in addressing error 2002-4153 is to perform a soft reset. This is done by holding the power button for 12 seconds. If the problem persists, ensure your system firmware is up to date. Navigate to Settings, then System Update to check for and install any available updates. Nintendo has acknowledged this error and releases patches periodically to improve system stability. The Nintendo Switch 2 has a built-in repair tool that can scan for and correct data integrity issues. This tool is accessible through Settings, System Update. Running this tool can help identify and fix corrupted data or incomplete installations that may be triggering the error code. Allow the tool to complete its scan and follow any on-screen prompts. Some users have found success in temporarily disabling cloud syncing. This can be done in the system settings, though the exact location may vary slightly depending on the firmware version. Disabling cloud sync can reduce the load on the system's memory management, potentially preventing the error from occurring. Remember to re-enable cloud sync later to back up your save data. As a last resort for resolving error code 2002-4153, you can perform a full factory reset on your Nintendo Switch 2. This process will restore the console to its original factory settings, potentially fixing persistent software conflicts that other methods couldn't resolve. Before proceeding, be aware that a factory reset will erase all data from your console. This includes downloaded games, saved data, user profiles, and any custom settings. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. First, back up your important data. If possible, use the Cloud Save feature to upload your game saves. Navigate to Settings, then Data Management, and select Save Data Cloud to back up your files online. If Cloud Sync isn't working due to the error, you may need to use an external storage device or transfer to another console. Next, access the system settings. On the Home menu, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Then scroll down in the menu and choose System. Within the System menu, scroll to find formatting options. Select Reset Console, and then choose Reset Everything to confirm you want to perform a complete factory reset. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The reset process will take some time, and the console will guide you through each step. Do not interrupt the process by turning off the console. Once complete, your Switch 2 will restart with all factory default settings. After the reset, you'll need to go through the initial setup process again, including creating user accounts and re-downloading games. If you backed up your data, you can restore it from the cloud or external storage. This factory reset often resolves deep-seated software issues that other fixes couldn't address. If none of the previous solutions resolve error code 2002-4153 on your Nintendo Switch 2, it's time to contact Nintendo's official support team. They offer comprehensive assistance for technical issues. Your console may still be under warranty, which could entitle you to a free repair. Nintendo has processed over 200,000 warranty claims since the Switch 2 launch. providing quick solutions for eligible devices. Before contacting support, prepare specific information about the error. This includes the exact error code 2002-4153, all troubleshooting steps you've already attempted, and your console's serial number. Having these details ready will help Nintendo provide faster and more accurate assistance. Once you reach out to Nintendo support, they may offer additional troubleshooting advice tailored to your situation, arrange for a repair if needed, or even provide a replacement console in certain cases. Their customer service team is trained to handle these technical issues efficiently. Nintendo is actively working to mitigate error 2002-4153 through firmware updates and AI-driven diagnostics. To prevent future occurrences, maintain a stable internet connection, keep your system up to date, and avoid unofficial modifications. As the Switch 2's software matures, this error is expected to become less frequent. Future updates may even auto-resolve the error without user intervention. Trends show a shift toward cloud-based fixes, reducing reliance on physical repairs in the long term.